Hey everybody, this video is going to be on comparison operators. So we have equal to, and then we have not equal to. So might be new to you guys. If you have an exclamation mark, that means not. We also have less than, and then less than or equal to. So remember that when you guys write these, that it's exactly how you say it. So less than or equal to. Then we have greater than and greater than or equal to. So for this first one, we're going to go ahead and print the result of does 4 equal 1. Notice this is not a single equal sign. A single equal sign will be for assignments. So we're storing something inside of something else. This one, we're actually checking to see if two things are true or two things are equal. In this case, 4 is not equal to 1. So if we run this, we get false. The next one is 4 not equal to 1. Since they are not equal to, that would be a true statement and we get true. The next one is we can actually use the word not. So Python has the word not that we can use. So first it'll figure this out. Is this true? And the answer is false. 4 is not equal to 1. I'm sorry. Is 4 equal to 1? No, that's false. And then we not that or negate that. And that becomes a true statement. So that's why we get true. For the next one we have is 4 less than 1. That's not true. Is 4 less than or equal to 1? That's also not true. So that's false. And then is 4 greater than 1? You betcha. And is 4 greater than or equal to 1? That is also true. So these are the basic comparison operators that you will use in Python. Now that you guys learned about comparison operators like not and greater than, you guys can go ahead and take a look at how to print, but also print using F strings, which is really nice. Do that right around here. And then you guys can go back also and do the math operators right over here. All right, take care, guys.